We have covered a lot of ground. You've taken the time to decode how these systems operate, where they struggle, and how they apply to the real world. You possess genuine AI literacy. Now, the final step is turning that accumulated knowledge into concrete action. Welcome to Chapter 14, The Future of AI and Skills for an AI-Driven World. We are diving into Section 05. From here, your AI-ready future. To wrap things up, we have 4 final steps to take. First, we will look at how far you've come. Next, we'll outline an action plan you can start this week. Then, we will discuss why it's okay to still have worries. Finally, we'll look at how the future of AI is something you actually help build. Completing this sequence serves as a bridge. It connects the technical ideas in your head to how you actually deploy them in your career and daily life. Let's start with subsection 5.1, how far you've come. Think back to your starting point. AI might have felt like a vague buzzword, mostly existing in movie plots or flashy news headlines. You've built a solid technical foundation. You learned how machines process data and explored machine learning, neural networks, computer vision, and language models. From there, you applied it to real-world uses across industries, examined ethical considerations, and prepared for future developments. You moved from asking, "What is this?" to being able to say, "I understand this, and I can use it well." That shift is the definition of true AI literacy. This chart highlights a stark reality. As of 2026, the massive block on the left represents the large majority of the workforce who still do not use AI tools regularly and feel unprepared for AI-driven changes. On the right is a distinct, shrinking minority of professionals who are fluent in these systems. By finishing this course, you have crossed into that prepared minority. You are equipped to navigate the future of work, the ongoing shift in how jobs, skills, and entire workplaces are adapting to automation. Which brings us to subsection 5.2, your action plan, starting this week. Maintaining your new literacy depends on small, consistent habits, rather than expensive tools or coding skills. This interface outlines the first 3 habits for readiness. First, keep using AI. Boot up a free assistant for real tasks like drafting emails or planning errands, so the skill stays sharp. Second, stay curious by following a reputable source or two, checking in occasionally without chasing every headline. Third, connect AI to your field by learning how these tools are applied in your specific career or major. The final 2 habits round out the list. Keep verifying your outputs by continuing to use the verify, don't trust method to protect yourself from confident but wrong AI. And finally, strengthen the human side by building durable skills like communication, creativity, and critical thinking. Collectively, these 5 habits represent upskilling, the process of building on the skills you already have so you remain effective as your work environment changes. You can put this into practice immediately. Open any free chatbot and paste in a prompt like this. "I just finished a beginner course on AI. My goals are," insert your goals, "and I'm interested in," insert your field. Help me write a simple, realistic 1-page plan to stay AI ready over the next year, using only free tools with a few small monthly habits. When the chatbot replies, you have to actively edit the output. Keep the elements that fit your actual life, remove any suggestions that feel unrealistic, and save the final draft somewhere you'll actually see it. Generating and refining this plan serves as a real-world demonstration of human-AI collaboration for lifelong learning. Moving to subsection 5.3, it's okay to still have worries. Being prepared does not mean pretending everything is flawless. If you have persistent anxieties about job displacement, the spread of misinformation, or the sheer speed of technological change, those concerns are reasonable. Holding on to those worries proves you are paying close attention to the realities and risks of the technology. Navigating those risks requires adaptability, the vital capacity to adjust effectively to a fast-moving environment. Everything you've learned this course is fuel for that adaptability. Look at this equation. When you take your natural worry and add technical understanding, plus a concrete action plan, the result is readiness. You transform raw fear into a highly productive state. Acknowledging your concerns ensures you won't blindly trust a machine. It guarantees you will remain a critical, cautious, and thoughtful operator of AI systems. Finally, subsection 5.4. The future is something you help build. The trajectory of artificial intelligence is not fixed, and it is certainly not dictated by the machines themselves. The direction this technology takes relies entirely on human choices. It depends on the decisions made by developers who design the systems, regulators who set the rules, business leaders who adopt them, and everyday users who decide when to trust a tool and when to push back. Your literacy allows you to exert agency, bringing necessary human judgment, creativity, and care into this technological landscape. You possess the tools to influence these systems and help shape the way they impact society. Consider this. Picture yourself 5 years in the future, thriving alongside these tools. Try to identify one newly built skill you are glad you mastered and one specific way you used AI to assist yourself or someone else. The objective of this entire curriculum was never to make you worship AI, nor was it to make you fear it. The goal was to empower you to confidently coexist with it and actively guide it. Let's look at our roadmap one last time. We recognized how far you've come, built a practical action plan, validated your ongoing concerns, and affirmed your power to shape what happens next. Across 14 chapters, you have built real technical literacy. You have established cost-free habits to keep your skills sharp, reframed your worries into a state of active preparedness, and recognized the immense weight of human choices. You are ready to use AI with professional judgment, creativity, and a realistic understanding of its limits. The technological shift is happening, and you now possess the literacy to navigate it on your own terms. You are an active, equipped participant in an AI-driven world.